Hello and good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Hope you are happy and safe at your home. Okay, so after completing our course of term 1, now we are at the end of this term 1 and we are doing revision. So, open your revision sheet, this worksheet. Okay, and let's start this chapter number 5. Okay, what was the name of this chapter? The name was The World of Animals. What was the name? Chapter number 5, The World of Animals. So, A. Circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. Okay, we have to circle the odd one. Means which is the different, we have to circle it. So, let's start the first one. Dolphin, bear and octopus. Okay, dolphin, bear and octopus. Which is odd one? Dolphin and octopus live in water, but the bear lives in forest. So which is odd? Bear. So circle the bear. Number 2. Elephant, chicken and hippopotamus. Elephant, chicken and hippopotamus. So elephant is big animal and hippopotamus also very big animal, but chicken very small. So circle the chicken. Number 3. Duck, peacock and swan. Duck, peacock and swan. Which is odd one? Yes, duck and swan can swim in water, but peacock cannot. Can the peacock swim in water? No, but the duck and swan can swim in water. So circle the odd one, peacock. Number 4. Housefly, dragonfly and louse. So housefly and dragonfly can fly. Both can fly, but louse cannot fly. Okay. Now number B. Unscramble the given words. Unscramble the given words. These are scrambled words and we have to unscramble it. Okay. So are you ready to solve it? Let's try the first one. TOCIRSH. We have to start with O. Okay. So which spelling is it? OSTRICH. Ostrich. OSTRICH and it is ostrich. Number 2. TPCOOUS. With spelling, it is also again start with O and it is OCTOPUS. 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 Okay, so this spelling is of octopus. And number next, LCOCRDIOE. Okay, and this spelling start with C. Can you name which animal is this? Yes, it is crocodile. CRO. Crow. CRO. Crow. CO. Co. Croco. DILE. DILE. And it is crocodile. Okay, and next is FIAFEGR. Double F. Which spelling is this? It is start with G and it is tallest animal and it is giraffe. GIRAFFE. It is giraffe. So now we are going to start number C. So are you ready? Fill in the blanks. We have to write here also. We will underline the option, correct option, and we will write the answer here. So are you ready? Let's start the first one. Animals live in forest. Which animal lives in forest? Wild animals or domestic animals? Domestic animals live in farms or near a house. But wild animals, yes, wild animals live in a forest. Okay, so animals that live in a forest, this answer is wild animals. So WILD. Wild animals live in forest. Number 2. Dash cannot fly. From these two, which animal cannot fly? Parrot or emu? Emu or parrot? Which animal cannot fly? Cannot fly. Okay, parrot can fly. We can see in the morning lots of parrots flying in the sky, but emu cannot fly. E M U. Emu is a bird that cannot fly because of their heavy body. Number 3. Dash live only in water. Which animal lives only in water and without water it will die? Fish or tortoise? Tortoise can live both on land and in water. Tortoise can live both the places. Okay, but fish live only in water. So correct answer is fish. Okay, number 4. Dash is neither too big nor too small. Which animal from these two is not too big and not too small? Giraffe or monkey? Giraffe is big, tallest animal. Okay, so giraffe is big animal, but monkey not so small, not so big. So underline the monkey and write down MONKEY, monkey. Number 5. Dash have 6 legs. Which insects or birds? Insects have 6 legs or birds have 6 legs? Yes, you all are clever. And I know that you know the answer. Insects have 6 legs, right? So write down insects, INSECTS. Insects have 6 legs and they are very, very small animals, very tiny animals, right? Okay, now number 6. Dash can live both on land and in water. Frogs or cow? Cow can live only on land, but frog can live both on land and in water. So underline the frog and write down FROG, frog. Okay, so are you done with it? And next, number D. Tick the correct pair. Tick the correct pair. From this pair, the correct pair we will tick only. Okay? Sorry, incorrect pair we will tick. Incorrect. Okay? Now, number 1. Let's check the first pair. Dolphin. Two-legged animal. Dolphin is two-legged animal? Correct or incorrect? Yes, it is incorrect. Dolphin is not a two-legged animal. Number 2. Horse. Domestic animal. Horse, domestic animal? Yes, horses are domestic animals. Okay? Pigeon. Sorry, penguin. Penguin, flightless bird. Yes, penguin cannot fly. It is also correct. And butterfly. Winged insect. Yes, butterflies have wing and it is an insect. So this pair correct, this pair correct, this pair correct. But this pair is incorrect. Dolphin, two-legged animal. It is incorrect. So we will take only the dolphin. Okay? Now let's start the next page. Observe the given food basket. You have to observe the food basket and match the food items with their correct names. Okay, so we have to match. Okay, let's start from this here. Okay, what is this? These are corn. These are corn. So let's match from here to corn. Okay, now let's check the next one. These are, it is very dark, but actually these are tomatoes. So match these tomatoes with the word. Okay, now pineapple. Can you see this pineapple? Okay, so let's match it from here to here. It is pineapple. Now papaya. Can you see this dark papaya? So match it from here to there. Now sugar. Can you see this sugar? It is already written here, the packet of sugar. Yes. And last one, carrot. These are carrots. So match it here. Okay, it is beautiful design, right? Okay, so are you done with it? Hope you enjoy. Now my dear kids, let's start this small exercise. I know you are tired, so we are doing next page, the G exercise, and this one we will do tomorrow. Okay, so let's try to do who am I. Only 1, 2 and 3 we have. Okay, so first one, I make honey and I live in a beehive. Who am I? I make honey and I live in a beehive. Who am I? I am a honeybee. Honey, honey, bee. Who am I? I am a honeybee. I live in beehive and I make honey. Number 2, I live on land and I am the tallest animal on land. Who am I? I live on land and I am the tallest animal on land, and I am a giraffe. 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 And next one, number 3, I have black and white strips on my body. Who am I? Yes, I am a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebras. Okay, so are you done? Hope you are enjoying. Bye bye everyone.